Guys, welcome back to the gang. Gang. It's your boy Tenemsko, and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a durag that will be ultimate for moisturization for people that want to keep their hair moist at night. This is not, again, listen carefully. This is not a durag for waste. It's a durag for protecting your hair from losing its moisture at night. So you know how basically they say that when you sleep, always cover your head when you're trying to grow your hair and stuff. Do you know what I mean? Because you know you can get damaged. Your hair can get dried up by your pillows. Pillows cause a lot of damage. Do you know what I mean? Because as you can see, it absorbs the moisture in your hair. So when you sleep and stuff, like the moisture goes from your hair to the pillow. In order to prevent that, you need to put something on your head. But one thing I realized is that even though I used to put like stuff on my head, like durags, on my head. You know what I'm trying to say, yeah? Even though I used to put durags and stuff on my hair, basically, man still used to wake up with my hair drying, bro. Like, what a bumper clap, you know what I'm saying? So obviously, I just came up with a little solution that so far for me is working, and when I wake up in the morning, my hair is as soft as a baby. You know what I'm saying? My hair is hella soft. You know what I'm saying? I had to cut my hair, but thank God, you know what I'm saying, it's growing back slowly. You know what I'm saying? If you didn't know, this is your first time on my channel, I used to have long hair before, do you know what I mean? But I had to do a little work experience, you know what I mean? I had to do a little work experience, and I was forced to cut my hair from, because obviously I went to a country. I'm currently in a country where they don't really it's not a part of the culture that guys have long hair. They don't really see it as respectable. They will think that you're a gangster or something, you know what I'm saying? Which I am, kind of. You know what I'm saying? Come from the gutter. But yeah. So without too much talking, let's get into this video. And before we start this video, go down in the description and sign the petition, bro. Sign the petition, bro. You know what it's all about? It's all about stopping big corporations such as Nike, which a lot of my content, I would say 70% of my content is about. And Apple, the phone you're using, you're watching this video with right now, Puma, Adidas, whatever brand you're thinking of, most of them, they are exploiting the Uyghur Muslims of China. The Uyghur is an ethnic minority that are Muslims, so they exploit them. They treat them bad. You know what I'm saying? Forced labor and all that. You know what I'm saying? And it's not even funny, but please go down in the description, sign the petition. It doesn't take a long time. Just, you know what I'm saying, sign it, fam. Yeah, for this video, you're gonna need a plastic bag, obviously, a toothpick, your hands, and finally, you're gonna need your brain. Yeah. Unless you don't have one, but I got one, so I got you, you know what I'm saying? If you're a bit, man's got you. But yeah, let's get started. So yeah, what you're gonna do, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna grab a plastic. It has to be a bit of a long plastic, I'm not gonna lie. This is me. Use this as a measurement. This is my t-shirt. This is the plastic bag. You know what I'm saying? I don't care about the color or whatever, but it has to be like at least this size, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. You're gonna take the plastic bag now, and all you're gonna do is use the toothpick to start picking, like poking holes. You know what I'm saying? Poke it. You know what I'm saying? Like you're shanking the ups, you know? But you know what I'm saying? You gotta poke it from me. You gotta poke it. You know what I'm saying? Poke it. Do you know why you're poking it? Because your hair needs to breathe though. You know what I'm saying? Your hair still needs to breathe. Your hair is a living thing, you know, big man thing. If you didn't know, I'm telling you now, innit? So that now you know, and you can't make no excuses. You know what I'm saying? So you keep just poking the ting, blood. Poke it, blood. Poke it, fam. Poke the ting, blood. Poke the goddamn ting, blood. Yeah? Poke it like it's a up, you know what I'm saying? Poke it. Poke it. Keep poking the model. Keep poking. It's taking so long, bruh. It's taking so damn long, bruh. It's gonna be worth it in the end. You know, in life, you gotta think about the end goal. That's the most important. You know what I mean? That's the most important thing. Try poking in the middle area. That's the most important. There. Yeah. Let's get it. That's it. Now that it's poked, yeah, this is what you're gonna do. Take the plastic bag just like so. Yeah. It's very simple. Let me take off my glasses, innit? Do you think I'm handsome, innit? Outside in my DMs, don't even try. Listen, you look kinda cute, you know? Listen, what's your number, fam? Listen, you like my new trim, yeah? So in the morning, I'll chat to you later. I'm man them, yeah, fam. This was not for you, fam. This is for any gal that was. I'm taking them. I'm off the market. Hold it like this. Hold these two extremes, just like so. Put it on your head, bro. Yeah. And obviously, you know where your hairline starts. So if you got a receding hairline, you start here. But thank God my hairline is not receding. Oh yeah, guys. Obviously, if you feel too lazy to make your own durag, to make your own moisturizing durag and all that. Did I just call this durag moisturizing durag? Go to the link in the description. Go to Swag Rag, you know what I'm saying? They do any type of durags. Designer Durags, Gucci Durags, LV Durags, face mask, whatever you want from. They got it. They got you like that, fam. You know what I'm saying? If you're on one of them Silky Durags, you know where to go. If you're on the velvet thing, you know where to go. If you whatever you want back, they have it. So if you need that, go down in the description. They do everything from, you know what I'm saying? Use my code that's the 7th and get your discount. You know what I'm saying? Alright. So yeah, what you gotta do is you gotta tie it up. And you know what, that's it. You're set for the night, bro. You're set for the night. You know what I'm saying? Set for the night. You sleep with this, you wake up, your hair is gonna be soft, fam. You know what I'm saying? Your hair is gonna feel moisturized like a baby, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like the bigger the bag is, the better it is, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, sometimes I speak like the Americans too, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, yes sir, yeah. But yeah, guys. And, yeah. That's literally it. You know what I'm saying? Easy peasy. I need to make a quick thumbnail, man. Yeah. I know you think I'm kind of key on that, but it is what it is, man. It is what it is, man. No cap. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and share, bro. Yeah, like, subscribe, and share. Like, subscribe, and share, bro. Yeah? Subscribe to the team, blood.
Salamakamona,